Berserkaholics. This is the collector that you will never get in the USA. And even you, Mother Japan, can't have it. Are you telling me that you're making this video only to troll the non-French part of the world? Absolutely. For once, we have a bigger, a better, and a faster collector than any part of the world. Joke aside, I know if you are a collector like me, sometimes you buy Berserk things even if it's not in your own language. And first thing we can notice, the box is absolutely amazing. I really love the blue lines. And the price range here is about 30 euros. So if you can get it for around 50 to 60 with import, I think it's a good price. The size. The box measure 25 by 28 centimeter or 1 foot long for you, the Americans, and yes, you can take a picture for free. I give it to you. Quick look from the top and we open this up. First thing that you get in the box, it's a letter by the publisher of Berserk in French, Swiss and Belgique. It's called Glénat, and they explain how they get this 43 collector idea. It was the 20-year anniversary of Glénat, and they ask of mangaka if they can give them some birthday gift. And they were really impressed that Kentaro Miura, even if it was a busy man like this, take the time to make this beautiful artwork of Guts. And they decide to make a collector about a copy of the Shikishi art, so everyone can have this beautiful artwork at home. I think I'm gonna frame it, but you can use the box to display the Shikishi. Second thing you get in the box is the 43 manga Berserk with a beautiful fake letter as a cover, and I will see if we have some changes compared to the regular 43 Berserk manga. So the size is exactly the same. It's just the cover. It's in hard cover with a fake letter, so it's absolutely massive. We have some art inside. This is the same. The second one we didn't have it. The second one is the key art of the 43 manga Berserk. So this one is new, and I think we have some just a few pages that talk about the people inside the Berserk story. And we have a little story about Kentaro Miura and Koji Mori at the end of the manga. So voila, just a quick video about this 43 French collector of Berserk. I hope it can help you if you wanna buy it for yourself. And please leave a like and subscribe if you want French video. I'm not gonna do a lot of English video, but I wanted to help my English speaking fan of Berserk.